What's up, guys? Welcome back to 604 Diecast Customs. Hope you guys are all having a great day. Today we're going to be going over something I've been waiting quite a while for. I'm super excited to get this finally here and into my collection. I'm sure you guys have all seen these before, but I'm going to give you a view of mine. This is my Magnus Walker Porsche 964 box set. I'm very excited to have this. I bought this when it first came out. It's just been sitting at a buddy's house for a while. Finally got our boxes together and it's here now. So we're going to open this thing up and give you a closer view of it. So it's still in the film and everything. Take a look there. It's a metal on metal, Real Rider tires. It's got the Magnus Walker Urban Outlaw on the side there. Very nice. And that's what we're looking for here. Oh, nice. Wow, that's a nice low number. 994. Hey, if that had been 964, that would have been amazing. It would have matched the car. 994. So 994 out of 10,000. That's a pretty low number. So I'm excited for that. We're gonna pull this out first and reveal that awesome car. Look at that. That's beautiful. It's got the little Magnus Walker figurine there. So this one is metallic. As you can tell, it's a metallic paint. You guys are gonna hate me. Well, some people might not hate me for this. I'm gonna open this up though. I want to get a better look at this for sure. I'm not gonna wreck it or anything, but and I say I'm not gonna wreck it, and I wrecked the box. Perfect. That's amazing. Alright, now let's get this glass lid off of here. Seeing as I already destroyed the box. There.
3 weeks later.
That'll take all the glare off of it. Perfect. And now it hit the floor. Awesome. Look at that thing. Very nice. It's got a full detailed interior, as you can tell. Red and black. The back's fully detailed. Porsche, it's got detailed taillights, exhaust. On the side here, we've got the 1552 and the Urban Outlaw decal on the side there. Full detail on the front, headlights, that Porsche emblem. Wow. I like the red interior. It's a well-detailed interior. And then this here, if I can get it off, this little elastic comes off. And exposes the engine bay, which that to me is super cool. I like that. It's got a matte black on top of it there, so it's not just all chrome. That looks awesome. I like that. And then on the back there, it's got a little decal on the exhaust, or the The little intake there. Wow, that's a beautiful car. Crazy. Super excited to have this. Grab that top. Put that back on. I'm going to display it with the engine up, obviously. Alright guys, so if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. We're going to have another video coming out tomorrow that'll be related to this car. So if you're into these cars, definitely check the next video out. I'm going to get you some quick photos here. Have a good day, guys.